Hey friends, welcome to the channel. Did you know that you can start making money just by receiving text messages on your mobile phone? Today I'm super excited to share with you this application which is called Mark Money. Through this application, you get money just by receiving text messages on your mobile phone. So before we jump into how this application works, I have to address something very important. I take your trust on this channel very serious. So I had to ensure that if this application is legit and safe. So before doing all this, I had to do research over this application which is called Mark Money. You see all the reviews on Google on how people are talking about this application, because many applications right now they're just scam and you really cannot make money out of those applications. So this is what I found over this application. Mark Money is a rigid application. I received about 2 texts per week and I got paid. So you can see many people they say that they really get paid through this application, and that's the reason I had to make sure that all this is a rigid application and safe application, so you can start making money just by receiving SMS text messages on your mobile phone. So in this video we are going to look at the followings. We are going to see how to join Mark Money, but also how to maximize your income on this application and how much you can make on Mark Money. This is what we are going to talk about in this video. So this application works by sending text messages to registered users, and these users are now getting paid for every message that they receive from this application. And the good thing about Mark Money that you really don't have to do any tasking in this application, but also there is no survey that needed to be completed for you to get money. You get money by doing nothing, just receive the text and you're going to receive this money. It's a real money. There is no point on this application that are needed to be redeemed. No, you get really money just by receiving messages on your phone. So how to join to this platform? You have to go to Play Store or App Store, then you have to download this application which is written as Mark Money. Then after that you'll be able to register by your phone number, and if it's not available in your country, you cannot find this application in a Play Store or App Store. The other way for you to download it is to go to Google and write download Mark Money APK. After that you'll be able to download it, and right after downloading this application you'll be able to register by your phone number. You have to write your phone number because you will be receiving text messages through your phone number and ultimately get paid. It's very easy and simple to use. The application doesn't require a user to reply or respond to any message that they're currently receiving from this application, and you really don't have to interact with it. You can receive this message and delete it right away, because the companies that are sending these messages to you, they just want to test and improve mobile operations. So you really don't have to reply to anything. You're just going to receive this message, get the money. This is kind of like a passive income. You really don't have to do anything about getting money. You just have to stay there and receiving the message and you get the money. It's really easy and simple. And later on we're going to see how much we can possibly make by this application. I think everyone was waiting to see how much you can possibly make on this application. Well, the amount that you can make on this application, it depends on where you live. It depends on your country or your specific location. So this application supports a limited amount of users in a specific country. Let's say that you're staying in a country with many users. That means that you will not be able to register on this application. They just want a small amount of people in a specific countries so they can handle the payment. And I want to tell you one thing about this application. If you stay in a country with a few users, that means that you're going to get many messages. That means that you're going to receive many messages per week. And the more messages that you receive from this application, the more money you earn on this application. And the less messages that you receive from this application, the less money that you get from this application. And so that many users of this platform, they can make around 2 cents per one message, and you can even make more than $5 as long as you receive too many messages. You can make more than $5, $20 for one day just by receiving these text messages. And I've seen different reviews. Many people are saying that it's really not something to rely on. It's really not something to depend on, because you really cannot make a lot of money out of it, because it's not guaranteed that you're going to receive messages every single day. Something that you cannot control is something that is automatically they are going to send to you message when it's necessary. So it's really something that you call side hustle, but it can give you some money to buy some stuff like coffee and so on. So you can try to make money just by receiving messages. So I want to give you my opinion over this application. I've seen a lot of comments, I've seen a lot of reviews, and I haven't seen somebody making more than $500 over this application. That's why I encourage you, if you want to try this application, it's okay, but it's really not guaranteed on how much you can really make over this application. I haven't seen anybody make more than $100 or $500 a month. It's really not a lot of money that you can make on this application. So if you want to give it a shot, it's okay, but it's not guaranteed on how much you can actually make on this application. But also, I want to tell you one thing. If you are encouraged, it's okay, because you're just going to receive money just by doing nothing, and it really doesn't need your attention or your time or anything. You're just going to receive money just by staying. It's called passive income. So if you want like $20 or $50, it's okay. You can try, and you can start making this kind of money just by this application for receiving messages, and you're going to get this kind of money. But if you want more than $200 or $500, it's really going to take a lifetime. So you have to learn some skills and start making more than that, more than you can make on this application, and I guarantee you everything is going to be all right for you. I'm so thankful for you choosing my video, watching my videos. I'm forever being grateful for that. I hope to see you next time. Thank you.